Hello guys, let's make this sweet noodles together. I put the water on the fire and open the indomie. I slice all these things, slice it. What? Open the indomie and see. I put the indomie on the fire. I wash. I put the indomie on the fire. I put another one again. Put another one again. Another one. I put all this thing everywhere. Open the indomie and turn it. Turn it. Okay. I cut it. Cut. What? Mommy, nah.
Tell them to cut the tomato and the onions. Now, what is cut it? Cut it.
I have fried the tomatoes and the.
You are adding oil to your pot now.
Adding oil to your pot. I put all this thing on the fire. I add the carrot first.
Why did you run away there?
Eh?
You run away in that place.
Okay. I put tomatoes and the tomato want to finish, and you will now put the onions. I turn it. I leave it on hours. I go. If you leave it as many hours,
How many hours did you leave it?
maybe 60.
60 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, 60 hours. Okay.
60 hours.
They say people should leave it 60 hours.
My mommy is videoing me.
Okay.
My mom is not sleeping. She
Okay,
does.
what's next? So yeah.
I turn the indomie with this thing. I turn it. I open the egg.
Just break the egg.
Break the egg. See how I do it. That's how my mom used to do it.
But you did it like that. Why? See, you are using all your strength. See. But you are using all your strength to open the egg.
I'm just using all my strength to open the egg.
You will knock it almost 100 times before the thing will open. This is how I used to cook. Hey, God, I beg you.
See, my hand is wet. I put salt. Put the salt. I mix it.
You are adding oil to that same pot that she used to stir fry her indomie. Now she add her eggs to it.
I fry the egg. Fry it.
We are done. Look at
see,
it.
sweet
Look at
indomie. You
it.
like it?
Look at the person behind the ad.
Delicious.
Yeah, test
It's
it.
me, I cook
Test
it.
it.
Very delicious.
Sit. Why are you nodding your head? What? You like it? Oh, yeah, rate it from a scale of 1 to 10.
It's 1 to 10.
And 1 to 10, which one will you give it?
Maybe 100.
100 over 10. See this girl, you get sense to be small. You like it?
Yeah.
Good work.